everyone, welcome back to Sparkle English. My name is Jennifer, and today we have a quiz on apostrophes. There are 10 questions in total, and you must correct any apostrophe errors. Some of the sentences are correct as they are. Let's begin. Number 1. Alice's laptop screen is brighter than mine. In number 1, we do have an error. It should be Alice's laptop screen. And that's because the laptop screen belongs to Alice. It's her laptop screen. So we have to add apostrophe S to Alice to show possession. Number 2. The team's performance was outstanding in the last game. Here we have an error. It should be the team's, T-E-A-M apostrophe S. First of all, we're only talking about one team, and we know that because of the verb was. If we were talking about more than one team, it would be the team's performances were outstanding in the last game. But we're only talking about one team, so it's team apostrophe S. I have more videos on apostrophe S that you can check out in my punctuation playlist. Number 3, it's been a difficult year, but we've managed to get through it as a family. So number 3 is correct as it is. It's is a contraction for it has, in this case, and we've is a contraction for we have. This sentence is in the present perfect tense. So this is correct as it is. No changes are necessary. Number 4. My teacher's advice was to always check your work before submitting it. So here we have one error. Your should be Y-O-U-R and not apostrophe R-E. And that's because Y-O-U apostrophe R-E is a contraction for you are. And here we want the possessive adjective your. Number 5. Did you see that dog wagging its tail? It's so cute. Okay, number 5 is correct as it is. Its tail is possessive, the tail that belongs to the dog. So this is correct. And its, it apostrophe S, is a contraction for it is. So number 5 is correct. Number 6. This is our suitcase. The yellow suitcase is theirs. Okay, in number 6, we have one error. Theirs does not have an apostrophe, and this is a common error. Possessive pronouns, such as yours, hers, ours, and theirs, do not take an apostrophe. Before we continue, if you want more help with your punctuation skills, I recommend you order my 16 Basic Punctuation Rules ebook, which I've linked in the description below. It's a simple, easy-to-read punctuation guide that will help you with the most important punctuation rules. Number 7. I can't believe you're going to New York. You must be so excited. Okay, in number 7, we have 2 errors. Can't must have an apostrophe because it's a contraction for cannot. I can't believe you're going to New York. And your should be Y-O-U apostrophe R-E because it's a contraction for I can't believe you are going to New York. Number 8. We have many pets in our family. My sister has a cat. My brother has a hamster. And I'm adopting 2 dogs tomorrow. In number 8, we have one error. Dogs should not have an apostrophe because we are not making it possessive. We're just talking about multiple dogs, so we just want the plural noun, not a possessive form. So we just add S without an apostrophe. Number 9. I don't know any companies that are hiring right now. It's a difficult time to find decent jobs. So number 9 has the same error as number 8. Jobs should not have an apostrophe because we aren't making it possessive. We just want to use the plural form of the noun job. And finally, number 10. My parents' house is beautiful. They are renovating the garden right now. So number 10 contains an error, and this is a difficult one. Parents should have an apostrophe at the end, and that's because parents is a plural noun ending in S. We're talking about two parents, and we know that because we have the personal pronoun they. So the possessive is formed by adding only an apostrophe after the S. Usually, if you're referring to one of your parents, you would say, my mother's house is beautiful, or my father's house. And there is correct because it's a contraction for they are. Okay, so let me know in the comment section how many you got correct out of 10. And if you had any difficulties, let me know as well. I have many different videos on everything you need to know about punctuation, so make sure to check out my other lessons as well for more help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next lesson.